This is made out of bamboo. And of course, it's such a great price because you get such amazing products in this one box. So this is what it looks like. And of course, it's made with eco-friendly DIY rhinestones. And of course, when you open it, it is nicely packaged. If you guys take a look down at our Amazon storefront page, you'll be able to see all of the colors it comes in. I believe it comes in 4 colors. Let me just make sure I pull that up here. So it's a 3-piece set, comes in 3 colors. So it comes in red, gold, or purple. So this is a red one. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing here for you guys, so that you guys can take a look at how cute this is. So of course it does come with a mini brush. Look at how beautiful those rhinestones are. And of course it's in the shape of a cat. And these are the nice bamboo bristles with the actual handle material being bamboo as well. And then of course you get a nice breathing hole in there so no bacteria stays in the brush itself. So that is the mini brush that you get. And then of course you guys do get your large rectangular brush. Look at the rhinestones on there. Each rhinestone is placed individually, so you all have a unique design. And then of course the back as well, you get the nice bamboo brush bristles. Very nice. So of course you do get your large brush and your little mini brush to take on the go as well. These are absolutely super, super cute. And then of course the third piece item that you guys do get is one of my favorites. You do get a nice metal hair clip. This one's my favorite one. It's the shape of a rose, or it's the rose design. Super cute. Look at all the claws made out of metal, and it actually has some nice weight to it, so it can actually hold even the thickest of hair in one place. I love these hair clips. Super cute, love them. It's about 4.3 inches across. In regards to the brush size as well, the mini one, you're looking at 6 inches for height, 2.8 in width. And then of course for this one, you're looking at 3 inches across and then 8.7 up to down as well. So that's what it's looking like. Super cute. So as I told you guys, it does come in 3 different colors. So this is the red set. We're going to go ahead and open the second box that we have here. And this one is our gold set. So same thing, similar. It does come with the mini brush. And this is a gold one with all of the rhinestones individually placed. Super cute. And of course it is a cat design as well. And then of course you do get your larger brush. This one is an oval compared to the rectangular. And they're all made out of the same material. And then of course these are your bamboo brush bristles as well. So of course the gemstones on the bamboo and brush are hand mosaic and are glued with high strength eco stick glue that are not easy to fall off. Each accessory is positioned with the gemstones in a different unique place. And of course, as I mentioned, with the eco-friendly design, the bamboo hairbrush made with natural rubber and sustainable bamboo, and it's fully biodegradable as well. So these ones right here, the pins are 100% bamboo. The bamboo pins will not damage the hair like standard plastic pin brushes, and they will create a nice, sleek, and shiny finish for your hair. Love that. Who doesn't like a nice bamboo hairbrush? So as I mentioned, it does come in a 3-piece set. So you get the mini, the larger brush, and then of course you do get your clip. And this is another clip with the claws as well. So it comes in 3 colors, as I mentioned, red, gold, and the purple, and I really like it. So of course it's sustainable for long, thick, curly, natural hair. You can use it with wet hair, straight hair. Anyone can basically use it.